In this video, we'll teach you exactly how to use this operator using greater than or equal to. Type the formula. Values can be numbers or reference cells. Press Enter. The cell will populate with the result from the formula, which will be either true or false. Greater than or equal to is a logical operator, which means the only result it can give is true or false, depending on if the formula, once filled in with your cell references, is true or not. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.